Record. All righty, so let's get started. So this time you'll see that and let's go. I was going to show some pictures, but I only have 2 pictures, but that's okay because the rest have English words on it. Okay, English. So I was going to go chair, mount, and you'll know the Navajo. But I'll just show the English. All right. So let's go ahead and I had to show you this. Hold on. Let's see. This is my grandfather, right? Not grandfather. This is my uncle, 95 years old, and he's never been to a Ute bear dance. And let's see if we can just give you a taste of what he. I mean, 95, you don't move very much, right? But this is a guy that decided to do something. Well, that's him. So we're out there in White Mesa. He's there, I'm there, we're the only 2 there. It was just, I mean, I don't have the video clip. I thought I had the video clip. I have the video. Okay. What did I do? Okay. We'll just let that go. All right. So here's things that we're going to learn today. Number 1, something that we say heavy and bulky. So look around your desk, look around the room. If it's something heavy, like this is a 2 or 3 terabyte saver, it's heavy and it's bulky. It's as long as it has a little heaviness to it, I can ask for this one. Shaaní'aah. And I can also ask for this one, even though it's not heavy. This is a little tape. Even though it's not heavy, it's bulky. It just sits. Yeah, Shaaní'aah. So those 2 criteria, it's heavy or it's just bulky. It's just a thing. It's not long, but it's solid too. So this thing is solid. All right. Picture's kind of not moving here. Anyway, it's solid. Maybe I should put that there too. Let's put the more prescriptions I put in there, the better it will be. So solid. Okay. Heavy, solid, bulky. Those are pretty good descriptions. So now, anything that yesterday or not yesterday, last week, this one is Shaaní'aah. It just in the middle. Could be Shaaní'aah, it could be Shaaní'aah because it's kind of slender and it's not a square shape. So this goes, you could say Shaaní'aah or Shaaní'aah. Some things go like that. All right. For sure, if I showed you the gum and say, oh, that's not long and slender, that's bulky, that's solid, but it's not really heavy unless you have something inside that's heavy. But Shaaní'aah. And the other thing is, I can't have it like this, open like that, okay? Because that's a different description. It changes when you have something that's open like that. So, but today we're learning Shaaní'aah, so I can't open it, but it's a solid all the way around. So Shaaní'aah is that thing. So Look around your room, a chair, that's Shaaní'aah. A computer, that's Shaaní'aah. This thing that's around my neck, it's long and slender, but it's really also rope-like. And we'll learn about that later. But right now, that doesn't go into the long, slender category. And it also Shaaní'aah. It doesn't fit in the Shaaní'aah because it's flimsy. Shaaní'aah is something that's bulky, solid, and round, or you can hold it in like you got a solid thing in your hand. So any ball, any kind of ball, could be heavy ball, could be big ball, could be even a Nerf kind of solid that way. A Nerf ball, you can say Shaaní'aah. Okay? Shaaní'aah. So the cool thing about this is you can go tonight when you go to the dinner table, you can just use your lips. Shema, le Shaaní'aah. Give me that solid, round, heavy object. And it might be the salt, pepper, the cup. As long as the cup doesn't have, there's nothing in the cup, okay? If it's just solid with nothing inside it, even though it's open, as long as there's nothing inside it, you can say Shaaní'aah. So anything, for example, if there's nothing in this thing, if there's water or some marbles in here or something, I can't say Shaaní'aah. But because there's nothing inside it, it becomes Shaaní'aah. Okay? Shaaní'aah. Because if it's open, it has something in it, it's a different verb. So right now, it's a Shaaní'aah because there's nothing in it. Okay? So we'll learn some more of those things. Okay? So the first thing that we say is Yad, you notice how you're no longer going to call each other, I'll say Micah, but or Dex or something. But all I'm going to say is I'm going to speak to Dex. Okay, there's a couple more folks coming in. So I might say Yad, Dex, but then I want to create a kinship term, and I want you to look at this right here. If Dex was a mother, I would call it. This is to play to play the kinship term thing. So if I'm a male and the person I'm talking to is a lady, I would say Shema, just so I can learn that kinship term Shema. And this person that's a Shema, she will come back to me and say, yeah, and right here, she might say Clayton, but I want her to give me a kinship term. Yeah, and the kinship here, right? She will come back and say, Shaaní'aah, my son, Shaaní'aah. This is so powerful that's all the elders use. They don't, when somebody comes around, they don't say, they're Fred. They don't say that. Fred's more like almost an insult to them. But if you use kinship terms like Shema, Shaaní'aah, 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 or Shitsi, all those are kinship terms. And so right now we're just doing family, immediate family. So that has more meaning than any names that people receive, unless it's a Navajo war name or something like that. But this becomes when you have peace, not war. When you have peace, you use the kinship term. Just like when we're small in mainstream society, we say mom or dad. Those are all kinship terms. And so when I grew up, my mother, she just called me Shaaní'aah all the time. I did not know my name was Clayton. Never thought, because I'm raised in this traditional place. And until I got to boarding school, which was about 7 years old, and they kept saying, Clayton, Clayton. I go, Clayton. Nobody called me Shaaní'aah at that time, so I didn't answer. Slowly, they taught me and said, your name is, but my mother doesn't call me. My dad doesn't call me. My grandma doesn't call me that. But anyway, Shaaní'aah was my name, and that's why it's so important to know the kinship term. So powerful is this kinship that it goes into extended family, like my uncle Shita, Shichase, and my grandmother on my father's side, on my mother's side, Shinale. It spreads. That kinship term spreads. And then the third layer is your clan people, Let's say your mom died, your dad died, your aunts and uncle all passed away, and even your grandma, grandmother, everybody passed away, and you're the sole person around. Guess who becomes your mother, father, uncle? It's these guys, your clan brothers and sisters. All right. If somebody is a look up and they become my mother, or they can become my dad, Che, So the kinship is bigger than the immediate, extended, and your clan. All right. And clan, let's say, the other thing is, let's say my mother, father, they have this disease like drinking. And so they really are not around. They have no way of raising me. And even my grandmother, all those guys, they're lost in this world. It's the responsibility of my clan, look up. All the look up people, they become my mother and father. They become my teachers. It's like when I go to school and I can't get help, they get a specialist, right? They get a specialist like counselor or somebody that can give you direction. They become the direction givers, those clan members. You can go to them and say, Shema, Shijah, I'm all by myself. Everybody's gone, but you are my relative. And all of a sudden you have instantaneous family. That's a dinah, all right? And then let's say everybody, all the clan members are gone, their family's all gone, you're by yourself. Where do you find the next group of family? Well, you go to nature, Mother Earth, Father Sky, Horned-toed Chiche, all those different people become your family. And you talk in a different language. That language is a soul language. That language is a spiritual language. Water, Mother Earth, water, trees, rocks, they can talk to you. Mountains can talk to you. It's another layer, and that you have to be very connected in order for you to understand. There are other people in this world that you can call Shiche or Shema or Shita, my father. Just like we do in mainstream society, there's the holy people or the Father in heaven, Christ, Holy Ghost, those kind of ideas. It's similar to that idea, but more. Everything that you see in this earth is alive. That you see, that you feel, they can. Even a dog, some people love to talk to their dogs and cats and gerbils and those kind of things. That is become your family. And they give you this number one thing they give you is love. love. And if they give it to you, give it right back. So that circle is very powerful. And I want you to understand that the greatest possession that you need and you can give is the word love. When you dissect the word, it means the value in somebody. You care, and you do things for others because you care. And that word is love. All right. So I didn't want to go on and on with this stuff, but I really feel good about you are living things upon this earth. Even though I don't know your family, I don't know where you live, or nothing like that, you're still like my brother, like Shema, like Shiche, like Shita. All those kinship terms, we connect that way. And it's beautiful. I just wish everybody in the world would understand this, that it's just a family. We're all connected in this earth life. Even if all the human beings were gone, we'd still connect to the animals, the birds, the trees, the mountains. Yeah, they become our family. All right. My mother one time was telling me a story. She says, when I had a certain relative that came by the other day, and she said, how come you stay by yourself? Where's your kids? Don't they visit you? Where's your family? And she says, she was puzzled. Family? Oh yeah, they come by, but every once in a while. But I don't feel lonely. I have a lot of people here. I've got my sheep, my horse, my dogs, my cats, she had some uh, ducks. There's my ducks. It says, I have no reason to be lonely. Okay. That's my mom. Yeah. And uh, she just lived by example. And that's how I picked it up. All right, let's begin. Here we go. All right. Let's just name the objects first. The first one is called a sheep. A sheep, right? A sheep. So goes high, and then sheen. It's just sheen, nasal. Sheen. Two eyes. E. A sheen. A sheen. Salt's very important in Navajo. When first laugh comes, everybody, the little girl or boy laughs, and they all clap their hands because that's a sign of hojo, or that feeling of I found joy. Anyway, machine was so valuable, equal to like a precious stone. It gave a flavor to our meal. And so, and they had to go all the way to some place to get it. And to have it was special. So at that time when the young boy laughs, celebration, family get together. And he, meaning the little boy or girl, he or she, they give gifts. And a long time ago, it was the gift of giving salt to everybody that comes. Wow. And the idea is that they are learning how to give, just like Grandma knows how to give. He will become a giver of precious things, right? Precious things. Anyway, a sheep. And so a sheep, wow, how does that become heavy, bulky? Well, if it's in the hot, and if the salt is in the shaker, in the little shaker, let's say the salt was in this thing, full of salt. I could say Shaaní'aah to the object, or I can say Ashin, because I know exactly what's inside, and it's all got a cap on it. I can say Ashin Shaaní'aah, Ashin Shaaní'aah. So I can say yad dex. If I say dex, so it's a male to another male, I can say dex shije. And he'll say yad Mr. Long she see male to male, and female to a male. And so he's gonna call me she. And then I will ask the question. Shije ashwade ashi Shaaní'aah. And then he'll say, Ad em strong shiye ashi namish ah. I'm giving this a she to you. And she namish ah. And I say, yeah. And he'll say, la. And that's how we go. So the same pattern that we used last time, and just Shaaní'aah instead of Shānti, right? All right, now we're learning about bulky stuff. Bulky, heavy. If there's something inside, heavy, right? That's what we're learning. Next word. Same idea. Ashi sakan. Whoa. I just learned ashi. Yeah, how could a sugar be salt? Well, when Navajos were learning about ashi, was the first thing they learned. They used it in their diet. But we really didn't know anything about ashi sakan. But when the Spaniards and also the long walk, we got introduced to different foods. And one of them was ashi sakan. It looked like salt because it's white. But this one was not a salt. It didn't taste like salt. It was chicken. It tasted sweet. So that's where sugar came from. Sweet salt. Ashi. So now you can remember ashi sakan. All right. Next word, watermelon. Watermelon. It's one word. Jian. Wow, what does that mean? Che means hard. It's really hard. Not hard in the sense that you can't do it. Jian means to eat. This is a fruit that you eat and you eat and you eat, and it's like it just disappears. Yeah. And we call it jian. One that you eat forever, you know. Jian. I don't. I don't. Jian. So you go high and then come back down. And then yan, because they're in, you see this A's are nasal. Yan. Okay, yan. And go ahead and practice it on your own until you're asked to do the sentence, question and answer. Next one is called, the object. Salt and sugar are basically in a container, so the bulky thing. Any ball-shaped things like watermelon, cantaloupe, whether it be big or small, those are all heavy, solid, bulky object. And Shaaní'aah is the category. Shaaní'aah. Okay? Shaaní'aah. And so now this one, cut, nes, N-E-E-S, nes. It's a nasal sound because the N. Cut, nes. Because the N, this is a nasal too. And then high tone, and nasal. Cut, nes, kanne, 4 sounds. Cut, nes, kanne, cut, nes, kanne. So you can say the middle part as long as you want. Cut, nes, kanne, and you'll be correct. So that's all it means is you're allowed to stretch those A-E-E-I-I, okay? And it'll sound the same. All right, here we go. Chair. Oops, spelled it wrong. Be, and then K. And and that's a sound by itself. So beka asta, ka. Some people say beka da asta. It's a little longer. I chose a small one. Beka means on top of it. Asta, asta. Just one of them, not both of them. Just one. Ha asta. Right? Asta means one that you sit on, the thing that you sit on. All right. So if I said ka asta shana, you know exactly what I named without saying chair, right? Because I said the one that you sit on. But shana is bulky, heavy, you know, it's not long and slender. It's just bulky and heavy, right? And solid. All right. And you know, a bit, I think we do a bit before. So a bit just means milk. But when it's in the carton, it becomes Shaaní'aah. All right. Shaaní'aah. But if it's just open-ended, like this little goodie that's right here on top, if that's open, then we look at it and say, okay, it's no longer inside something. I mean, it's inside something, but it's also got a little cap, Shaaní'aah. But if the cap is gone, then we say Shaaní'aah. All right. So that we'll go through that later. Let's go to nails. Nails. This is more Shanti. Let's not do this one. Let's do another one. Let's do besh, because besh is a knife. A knife. Why is knife a bulky instead of long and slender? Why is that? Well, I'll tell you why. Besh is, it's not light, okay? Besh, when you put up a besh, it's kind of heavy. And if it's a short besh, it's Shaaní'aah. If it's a long besh, like a sword, Shanti. All right? So that's a difference. In this sense, we'll just say Shaaní'aah. Besh Shaaní'aah. Okay? Most of the time, it's a short, small thing that we use, Shaaní'aah. If it's long, like a table knife, Shanti. All right? All right, let's go to tsenech. Now, tsenech, even though it's like a hoe or a rake, it's kind of heavy. So we no longer say Shanti, we say Shaaní'aah. Tsenech, X. Tsenech Shaaní'aah. All right, anybody have any questions? Oh, let me get what should show in here. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's on the 26th. Okay. Yeah, I never have any class on the 26th. For break. Yep. All right. Yeah, good questions. All right, let's begin. If you want to have a conversation, question, and answer, please put "oh" by your name. Oh, 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 oh. All right, we'll begin. All right, Tim. This is where you had to kind of go by names. Tim is a male name, right, Tim? So I'm going to go over here and say Yad and if it's a male to father or male. Yeah, we're going to use the father term. So male to male, say Yad Tim. Yeah, I don't need to say Tim. I have to say Yad Shije. Yad Shije. Ashwade. Chechian Shaaní'aah. And then you, Tim, what would you say? Here your mic, your mic's on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, actually feel good. Thank you. And then you say right here,
Yeah, 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 Jen, yeah,
Etienne, and the last word is this one,
Shaaní'aah,
Nanisha. And I say, yeah, because you gave it to me, right? Nanisha. Yeah. And you just say what? Lama.
La,
Yeah, lama. There you go. All right, we got the picture. Yeah, let's try you. You ask me a question, and since we're male to male, you just say shija to me. And they, please.
yeah, yeah, or
Oh,
shish,
shija.
yeah, yeah, tasho de, tasho de,
Oh, and then that object.
uh, beshe,
Okay, besh. Okay.
Shaaní'aah,
Okay, Rishana. Uh, Yad ish shige. Besh nanish. And you say what?
yeah,
Uh-huh. You can put your kinship term again if you want to. Yad shige.
yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh. La she shige. Right there. Shige. La shige. There it is. All right. Let me do one, and then we'll actually I'll do one for the next person. Let's see. Computer died, huh? Are you back? Lisa Cho, are you back? If you're back, let me ask you a question. Got air, and then now it's male, male to a young lady. So I'll just call you Yad Eshma Ashwade Abet Shana. She said she's having a problem with computer. Give her a minute first. Misha, are you there? Your mic's not on yet.
It wasn't me. Sorry, your thing froze.
Oh, it did. What does that mean?
Okay.
Picture. I can hear you though. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Yaate Shama.
Okay. It's this one right here. Oh no.
Oh, Shijet.
Yeah, it'll be female to a man, so it'll be shije. Good.
Yaate Shijet. Ta Shuti. Che Jian. Shaaní'aah.
这几样啥了呀should say 这几样那nish and you go right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Uh-huh.
Shijet.
La should say or shije. You said shije. Female shije. And I said la should say. Yep. Okay, are you ready? Find somebody, and if it's a male, or if no, you'll be down here. You'll do this. In fact, let me try something. This might help out if I do this. Okay, so these guys, the red is the male, and anybody that's female, you're going to be either talking to, let's see, you might be talking to another female. If you're a female, you might be talking to a male. And these are different. So your area. Females, this is your area. All males, this is your area. Okay. All right. So find a person. Say let's see. Let's see. Let me tell you who it is. Alicia. Okay. So if it's Alicia, and it's going to be female to female, what do you say to her? Alicia, are you still there?
Yeah, my computer froze for a second.
Okay, so I can hear you. So I think everybody can hear you. Okay, so you're talking to Alicia. So you're down here, female to female, you call her what? Shema. All right, you're not coming through. All right, let me go to the next person. Let's see, the computer's not doing a very good job. All right, Alicia, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, Alicia, good job. Yeah, Shema. I'm calling you Shema. Baka asta Shaaní'aah.
Yat'eh she'je'eh.
Right here.
Oh. She'eh.
Oh no, sorry. Right here. Because you're female to a male.
Oh.
And so you're should
Shit'eh.
see. I'll call you should see. You call me shije.
Okay.
All right. So I say should see. Ashwade baka astaha Shaaní'aah.
Yat'eh she'je'eh. Beka astaha nanesha.
Ahead.
Wait, do I say
Ahead should see.
Yehet should see?
Yeah, that's what I would say. And then you can say ahead. Put this down here. Sorry, I'll just put this down here. Okay, so you can say la'ash.
La'ash.
Yeah.
La'ashje'eh.
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna go and you're gonna talk to Noah. Noah and all right, so we'll figure out if we're gonna talk to so you're down here. You either say Shema or if it's a male, it'd be Shijeh. So you're talking to Noah. So yeah.
Yat'eh she'je'eh.
Yeah, Noah.
Can I just pick anyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Well, I mean, it has to be male. It's Noah. So, and then just choose an object. Choose any object.
Alrighty. Yate sheyeje ashin toshode Shaaní'aah.
Noah. Noah.
Yate shema ashi na nanisha
Ayehe sheje'e.
Let's see. All right. No. Okay. So Noah. I'm trying to figure it out here. I'm thinking too many things here. So you called her, if it's a male, you said Shije, and he called you Sitsi, and now you call him Shije. So it'd be La Shije. Okay, good. All right, you got cat. Let's go to Noah. Noah, you're the male, so you would choose a female or another male. And that right now on the board it says Jada. Jada. So you're going with Jada, Yad, right there. Shema.
Yate shema ashwane ashi sekan Shaaní'aah.
Jada.
Yat Eshiaj Ashisakan Nanisha
And
Yate shema
La'a Shiaj.
Good, beautiful young Jada. You choose, or not you choose, it's Tim. So female to a male would be Yad Ishije.
Yat Eshijaet Ashado Tashodi Ntanisk Ane Shaaní'aah.
Anishana.
Yat shit Yat shit
Let's see right here. So it's so should see.
Oh, Yat shit na Chana or Nanashna
Nanishah.
Nanashna
Nanishah. And
Tatnish yeah Tatnish
let Jada say cat.
Ayahet Shijaet
And then you
La.
say la shits.
La shit
Should sit. Good job. Good job. All right. Tim talking to Dex. So it's male to male right here. Male to male. Yat ishuje, you would say.
Yat shije Tat shol de Bakada Azdaha
Kadasta.
Shana
Good. That's a command, right? Yep. Okay, Dex.
Yate, would I say she'e or she'e?
Right there.
Oh, Yate she'e.
Shiyet.
Waka asehe Shaaní'aah.
Uh-huh. And
Yeah,
then,
Shaaní'aah.
uh-huh. And then
Shizit or Shaaní'aah.
Shiyet. No, yeah, good, excellent. Now go from Dex, you're Candace. Candace, so a male to a female. So your real word is right here. You got a shema.
Yate Shema Tao Shode Ashi Shaaní'aah.
Okay.
Yate Shiaj Ashi Nanish
Yep. And then
Ahe Shema
La Shiaj.
Nihanya. Okay, Candace. You are going to do Ezra.
Okay.
Ezra, so it'll be a female to a male right there. And Shijeh.
Okay. Yate Shije Ta Ashode Tsenich Shana'a.
Wait.
Oh, okay. We got a female voice. So I'm sorry, made a big mistake. So it'll be a female to a female, and she will call you Shema. And then you in turn, Yat Shich.
Okay.
Okay. Yate Shema Shenish Nanisha.
Shana. Oh, you do down here, Nanisha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here
Oh, you're right. Shema.
Shema.
Uh-huh.
La Shiche.
Shich. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, you're now. Oh, Ezra in the noun. Ezra, you're talking to Terrell. Terrell. So you're going from female to father. Shije. Yat shije.
Yate Shije Ta Shodi Shejian Shania.
Uh-huh. And Terrell will say shitsi. Yat shitsi. Terrell.
Wait, I think it might be me. I'm before Terrell, I think.
Oh, what's your name?
Luke?
Where's your name?
For me, it says it goes Ezra and then me and then Terrell.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. It switched around. Okay. All right. You're still, Ezra, you're still going to say, Shijeh.
Okay, should I just repeat it?
Yep.
Okay. Yate Shitze Ha Shodi Shejian Shania.
Yate Shima. Che Yash. Oh.
Shitsi.
Yate Shitsi. And
Uh-huh.
then Chie Jian Nanishna.
Uh-huh.
Ahihe Shitze.
La
Oh, okay, Shijeh. And then he'll say
Shitsit.
Shitsi.
Shitsit.
La Shitsi.
La Shitsi.
Okay. Good. Any questions so far? All right, I think we're okay. As long as your mind says, I got it. I got it. All right, John, let's go to now, Luke. You're going to do Terrell. So
Okay.
it would be male to male. So you say Yateshije.
Yateshije Bika Adahi.
Ashonde.
Oh. Yateshije Tashode Bika Adashi Shaaní'aah.
Uh-huh. And then Terrell. Are you there, Terrell? I don't think he answered last time when we did this. Oh, Terrell, Yate. Where are you? Maybe he's not around. Ah. Okay, we're gonna go to somebody else. Okay, Luke, you're gonna be with Micah.
Okay.
So you'll be from male to female. So you say Shema.
Yateshima Tashode Bika Adahi Shaaní'aah. Shaaní'aah.
Mhm.
Yat
Oh. Okay, so Shije. We should have said Shije.
Yeah.
And now he'll say Shige. You'll go ahead.
Yat
Micah?
Shie
Oh,
Ba Bika Adahi Nanisha
uh-huh.
Ya'eshije
Okay.
Ayehe.
Shije.
Yeah.
Shije.
La Shie.
Ah, good. Nijan. Very beautiful. Nijan. All right, we turn around. Let's go to Micah. You're going to talk to Fidel. So it'll be male to male. So Yat is Shije. And
Yat Shije Ta Shondi Ashin Ta Shaaní'aah.
uh-huh. And Fidel, are you there? They might be the one that having a problem. They're in a group over in Richfield. Anybody from Richfield over there? Can they hear us? Okay, Fidel might not be able to do it. All right, let's go past Fidel. Let's go to Amanda. Yat so male to mother, Yat Shema. Try it again.
Yat Shema Ta Shondi Ashin Shaaní'aah.
Let's see. Amanda, are you there? Oh, she's part of that other group too. Yeah, we're being cut off. All right, Karina. I hope she's not part of the other group.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, let's start over. Yat Shema. So
Yat
male.
Shema Ta Shondi Ashin Shaaní'aah.
Yate Shize.
She.
Oh. Yate Shija. Shiaj.
Mhm.
Yate Shiaj. Ashi. Ase. Nanish.
I see Nanja. All right. Shehat.
Yehe Shema
Lag A. La'a. Oh,
Shiaj.
La'a. Shiaj.
Good job. All right. Now we're on the track again. All right, so let's see. Karina, you are speaking to camera. Camera. So it's a female to a male or female to female. So you just say 什么.
या
Karina.
ते shema shode asi lekan
Uh-huh.
ate e
Shaaní'aah.
Oh.
Oh, Karina, you just have to say Shaaní'aah.
oh
I should
Shaaní'aah.
say, now we'll here actually use this. No, we said, yeah, right here.
Ya te e she e. How you say it?
Should
She it. She
There's
it.
it.
She it.
Should
She it.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Should and then you say this right here.
Nan a ashi ikan nanish a.
Uh-huh.
Ahyehe ahyehe shema. La a she e.
Uh-huh. Good job. All right, let's go to camera. Let's go dot X. Xavier.
Yeah, it's Xavier.
Xavier. Okay, we got you then. I can hear you. All right. So camera. Yeah. So it's a female to a male. So that is yeah.
Ya te e shizet ta shur di ta niska ani. Shaaní'aah.
And now since
Okay.
right there, you say at e shitsi. So you're saying yat e shitsi.
Yat shitsi.
And then you say tatniskan.
Tatniskan.
Nanish.
Nanish. Nanish. Sorry.
Yeah. And then she'll say this.
Shize.
Yeah. And then you say nothing. Should see. Yeah. Should see. Good job. Okay. Xavier, you're going to Dana. And so you'd say a male to mother concept. So you say yat is 什么?
Yat shuma.
And then you say dashwood, and then you choose your object.
Sorry. Dashwo jeya.
What's your object?
Jeya. Watermelon.
I got it. There you go. Shaaní'aah.
Shaaní'aah.
So now she'll come back and say Shaaní'aah. Yat Shaaní'aah. Wait. Dana. I mistook you. Hold on. So it's a male to male. So say she. That's what he said. Oh. And then he'll say, right there, she. Yeah. So Xavier, you say yeah, she.
Yeah, she, yeah.
And
là en she's
she's Lilia. All right, good job, good job. Yeah, it looks like we've gone through everybody. Does anybody have any questions about either the box where we have shema, shije, shiche, shitsile? If there's none, is there any questions about the questions? Everybody that's been on seems to understand the pattern. And that's all I want is to have you understand the pattern so you can kind of follow. All right.
Oh, actually, I have a question.
Okay.
So what would I call a sibling, like a brother or a sister?
So you're the female. So it's kind of having the same idea here. Female to a sibling would be either a young, like a sister, older sister, younger sister, or older brother or younger brother. Those are the siblings. So if it's an older sister, say yat e shade. All right. And if it's an older brother, you say Shaaní'aah. And we'll the next verb that we learn, we'll put it in this box over here, okay? So it'll be the siblings only. Okay? And
All right,
then
thank you.
if it's a younger sister, you say Shadej. If it's a younger brother, we say Shitsile. So we'll learn that the next time we get together. All right. So this one is talking about this male and female mother, kind of like an adult version here. Any other thoughts or questions? Any other thoughts? Where time is up. But thank you so much. I don't know why my picture is not working. Thank you for your question. Thank you for your participation. Anybody that's here, you passed off your conversation. Okay. Agoshi, next Tuesday, one more time before our break. Okay. I'll go on it.
Yate Kashmish.
Oh, yeah, Kashmish.
Agone.
I'll go on it honestly.
Agone.
Yeah, Kashmish.
Agone.
On it. I'm going it. And stop my little goodie. I can stop it somehow. I don't know why my picture is not working.
Mr. Long, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
If I wanted to say like your name and one of those terms, would I put your name first, or you know what I mean, where it's really a term of endearment, not necessarily like you're my actual father or brother? Would you put the name before or after?
Yeah, after. Make sure you do the kinship. Yad Ish should say Sally.
Okay.
Yad Ish Shana Bobby. It's always after.
So kinship first, then name.
Yes.
Okay. And
yeah.
the only other thing I was going to tell you in case you want to update it on your slide is on the top box with the question, it didn't get updated. It still says the slender one.
Oh, okay. I'll get it. Thank you.
No, thank you. I like to print them and put them in my binder. So thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hey, see ya.
Agone.
Go on it. Okay, where's my in the show? Actually, no, I do consider this. I think